All right, you're installing a new hard drive. You're installing two new hard drives into your network attached storage. Here we go again. Your director asks that you put in a RAID solution that offers redundancy over performance. Yeah, these are A plus. These are A plus questions. This this is not a place for this. I'm sorry, but there what he's talking about. Just to touch on it real quick, because I don't want to, this is something you can know as help desk, and that's fine. But it's not something you'll be doing. But what he's talking about is a network attached storage, so like a shared drive. Imagine a shared drive that you need to connect for or add a network drive for somebody who puts in a ticket. Let's just play it like that, and you need to add it, and you just have to make sure that what kind of shared drive is it. And then here it says your director asked that you put in a RAID solution that offers redundancy over performance. Redundancy uh, redundancy, what that means is that in case a hard drive fails, because when you have a big network storage, a network drive, network shared drive, when you have a shared drive that you map for a user, whenever they call you, you go in and you add that network drive for them. Let me see if I have one installed here. This PC. Yeah, so here are network drives, network locations, and when you add these, like this map network drive, and you select the letter whatever you want, and then you type in a location like this network drive, and then specify, I don't know, location, whatever it is that you put in. It could be an IP address as far as I know, um, for example, and then you click OK, finish, and then it adds it under letter Y or whatever the letter you want added, and it looks like this. These are disconnected right now, they're not working. But what he's asking here, how fast they should be. A RAID is type of system that utilizes multiple drives, and then you can use RAID to get faster performance. This is old technology, really. I don't know. RAID 0 means two uh, two drives that are working together as one in order to have faster access to files. Basically, you take two of them, you sacrifice storage on one of them to have faster access. And that's how RAID 1 is redundancy. RAID 0 is, for the performance one, it's called parity. And then RAID 1 is redundancy, meaning that if one fails, you have another one as a backup. So if you have one drive as storage for the network, drive that you're setting up, if one of them fails, you have another one that's set up as a backup, meaning redundancy. Okay. But for this, I'm just going to say, this actually. Added a shared drive with that has redundancy setup. Sure, let's do that. This RAID 5 is parity with redundancy, and I'm not going to talk about it. This is A plus. I have A plus videos. I'm going to close this.